The trees stray in rhythm to the wind's gentle beat, a symphony of life where every note's unique. The rivers flows smoothly with a soothing melody as nature's law harmonize in a perfect symphony.
The sun rises high with a radiant refrain, bringing light to the world and banishing pain. The stars twinkle brightly like diamonds in the night, a celestial orchestra playing through the cosmic light.
The mountain stands tall with majestic cadence, their peaks reaching for the sky in a grand symphony. The creatures sing sweetly in their natural choir, a chorus of life that echoes through the higher fire.
In nature's law symphony, every note is key, a harmonious balance that's meant to be a symphony of wonder that echoes through the land. Celebration of life in perfect harmony stand.
The earth sings its song in perfect harmony, a symphony of life where every part is free. The wind whispers secrets through trees so tall as nature's law unfold in an intricate call.
The rivers flow gently with a soothing sound, reflecting the beauty that's all around. The mountains stand strong with a majestic might, a testament to nature's perfect design insight.
The creatures dance freely in their natural space.
A choreographed ballet with a wondrous face. The sun shines brightly with a radiant glow, illuminating all in its path below.
In nature's low symphony, we find our place, a part of the harmony in the earth's grand space.
Let's cherish and preserve
this symphony so fine
and live in harmony
with nature's law divine.